Hey, Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com, and today I'm going to show you a new type of fogger that we started using for our Annebeck mold disinfectant product, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the new Tri-Jet fogger by Createch, and they are out of Florida. So this fogger is actually made in the United States of America, and it is a great fogger. We've had a bunch of different disinfectant foggers that we've used in the past, and some of them would pull air from the bottom of the fogger. And as you can imagine, rolling around in a crawl space, you don't want to have air being pulled from the bottom because you're going to pick up dirt and things like that. Even though they had filters on them, they'd still get clogged up. So we went with this type of fogger. It's actually going to pull air from the back. It's got a gallon reservoir that's easy to access. You just pull this up and you lift up the whole fogger and you fill this with whatever disinfectant. You can use this. I've even seen where they've used this fogger for bed bug applications and different type of disinfectants and odor removers and things like that. You want to make sure that whatever you're putting through it is completely liquid, as like a watery type of liquid. You don't want to have any kind of gels or anything like that. And I certainly wouldn't use probably bleach or anything. You want to make sure after you use this fogger that you use some dish soap and some water. Just put a little bit of dish soap in there and fog this thing out really good. It shoots about 20 to 30 feet, so it covers a good area. It's got an adjustable setting right here, so you can raise or lower the amount of fog coming out. Great for all types of mold remediation, whether it's in a house or inside of a crawl space. These are now this is the one we use, which is why it's so dirty. It's got a rocker switch right here to turn it on and off. This is the model 672. We're going to make this available on our DIY store, so that way you guys could get it there along with the Annebeck disinfectant is what you would run through this. And even the if you have an odor issue, you can also get the Anafresh. And I don't know if I mentioned this before, but you can add the Anafresh to the Annebeck disinfectant, so you're deodorizing while you're disinfecting mold. So that's a nice little tip for you. So anyway, if you're interested in this product, just check out the link below. If you got a big mold project coming up, or even if it's just something small for a DIYer, this is a great product to use. And my name is Michael Church with crawlspaceninja.com. And don't forget, we're franchising now, so we'll also put a link to our franchise inquiry down below as well, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. Thanks for watching.